They remembered Maya, but they forgot me. I tried hard, but maybe I am not enough. Oh no! Jace does not know this gift is his. Maya, I got 8 points. I feel proud. 8 is good. You worked hard, Jace. I want to tell Mom and Dad today. We can tell them together at home. This 8 is small, but I tried my best.
Welcome home, kids. Tell me your good news.
Mom, I got 10 points on my test.
Great job, Maya. You studied very well.
10 points is wonderful. I am proud of you.
I wanted to tell them too. Jace, show them your paper too. Maybe 8 is not good enough.
Jace went upstairs. I should check on him soon.
He wanted to show his paper too.
Jace, you are very quiet tonight.
I am okay. I just feel tired.
After dinner, I want to hear about your day.
Jace feels different today.
Jace likes cars. This one is for him.
We have one gift for each child. Maya, this small gift is for you.
I will give Jace his gift after this call.
Jace will like this game too. Look, Jace, we can play together. You got a gift. I did not get one. I did not know that. I am sorry, Jace. First the score, now the toy.
Oh, Jace did not get his gift yet.
That is why he looked so hurt.
Jace, your gift is here. We did not forget you.
Maybe they only remember me now. Jace was proud, but we did not see him. I need to find every mistake.
We bought both gifts together on the same day.
I missed his moment. That was my mistake.
It was not less love. It was bad timing.
Maya watched carefully. She wanted to stop the next misunderstanding.
I like this strawberry snack. This one is big, but Jace wants that one.
Thank you, Maya. Jace, do you want the strawberry one?
Yes, I want the strawberry one, please.
Good. One for Jace and one for everyone.
One misunderstanding is fixed. snack is fixed. Now I must fix the score and the gift. Maybe today was different. Maybe. We need to show Jace the truth, not just tell him.
His hard work needs a special place.
He must know our love is not a contest.
Tonight is for Jace. Why is my test in a frame?
Because your work matters to me.
But it is not 10.
The most important thing is that you tried your best, Jace. That means more to us than any number on a paper.
I found the clues. They tell a different story. I showed my test first. That made them miss you. So they did not mean to forget me. This gift was here before I went to your room. My name was here the whole time.
The gift was late, but our love was not late.
Today, you spoke. Today, we listened. I felt like the extra child.
You are not extra. You are our son.
We do not love by rank. We love both of you.
I am sorry. I did not see your hurt soon. You tried to help me, but I closed the door. We can open it together if you want. This is the car set I wanted. You see me. You love me. You start the race, little brother. My car is fast. My heart feels light.
Both papers show hard work.
New family rule. Talk before we guess.
Next time, I will say how I feel. And I will listen like a good detective.
Love was never a prize. In this family, love was for everyone.